Hi, in this series I'm sharing tasty ultralight backpacking recipes. This means that the meals will have a high energy to weight ratio of at least 90 calories per ounce. The recipes are fast and easy to make with just a few ingredients. Now, nothing gives your day a kickstart like freshly baked bread. That's why today's recipe is a quick flatbread, also known as bannock, with some variations. The ingredients weigh in at 4.62 ounces and deliver 523 calories. Start with 3.5 ounces of wheat flour and a quarter teaspoon of coarse sea salt. Now add something for extra flavor. For example, 0.7 ounces of Parmigiano and half a teaspoon of rosemary if you like savory. Or raisins and cinnamon for a sweeter bread. Add a little less than 1.5 ounces of water and mix it together till you have a smooth dough. On the trail, you just store all your ingredients together in a Ziploc bag. Add the water and knead it in the bag. Now comes the tricky part, because every pot and every stove is different, so you might have to try this once at home with your own stove. You'll make 2 breads out of this, each one about as thick as a finger. Put your stove on a medium heat. Add half a tablespoon of olive oil and put the dough in once the oil starts to smoke. Bake it for about 2 minutes. Flip it, add some more oil if needed, and bake the other side also for 2 minutes. And that's it, fresh bread in the morning in just a couple of minutes. Don't be afraid to experiment with this. I've got Parmigiano rosemary here and raisin cinnamon. But you can also substitute the water for milk or beer, or use olives and onions. Let me know what you made in the comments below, and if you like this video, subscribe for more.